to Evie's Little Kingdom. Today, we're going to play Pie Face.
How are we going to do it with?
Daddy!
Yay!
And the box is right down on the bottom of the camera. And if you're watching what this is on my face, it is, ta-da! Pie Face thing. And we've got slime.
We are supposed to do it with cream, aren't we?
Yeah, but we have no cream, so we're doing
What are
it with my
yours?
slime.
Slime. Yeah.
Yeah,
We're going to open then. Want to open it?
slime.
Yeah? What should we do? Should I put it on or do you want to put it on?
I'll put it on because I can break it open.
Oh, you break it up into two pieces. Look at this one. You shove. You shove.
Yeah.
Like that.
I put mine through like this. Put it right in the middle because it's in the middle.
Right.
You've got more than one.
How many games are we playing? How many? So
So this is
best
one.
out of how many? Best out of how many?
We're going to have 10 out of 10. That's how good we're going to have
10
it.
out of 10.
Yeah.
5.
5 out of 20.
How are we then? Right. You know what we're playing rock, stone and scissors?
Yeah.
Right.
Rock.
This is the one goes first.
Yeah.
Right. 1,
Rock.
2,
2, 3.
3.
Rock.
Ah! You
No,
do
it's
it.
supposed to go rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
I won.
You won.
Right. That. Yeah. I put my head in it. How many? Oh, I have to spin, don't I?
Yep. Watch it, because it might. Oh, 2 go.
2
Put
goes.
your head on there. You might as well just close your eyes on that.
1.
Put your eyes
Go on,
on.
get your head on it. 2. Ooh. Oh. Oh, then. I've done mine. You have to spin now.
Okay. Wait, I
Nah.
have to
Spin
put it
it. No, no, that's cheating.
down. Why after?
You don't have
Because
to.
it's another round, get it?
No, it isn't.
Really? 3.
She's cheating.
3 goes, 3 goes.
3.
Yeah, 3.
Go on then. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
I just keep on mine.
Right.
You know how it is 0. It's my go.
Oh, 0 then. I'm going
It's
0.
my go.
Go on then, you go.
Ah,
2. Oh,
One.
1.
One.
Right, go on. Ooh,
That was
very
very
close.
close. Yours is hanging off.
Oh, yeah, it is. Guys.
Oh, you made a pattern with your finger on it.
You ready? 1,
This is
2.
really good.
Oh, it's more than 3 then, would you say?
Yeah, more.
Whoa. Get your head on it. So I can see one of us
Yeah.
getting splattered. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
I thought mine was gonna go up because it went.
Yeah. How many then?
I thought mine was gonna go up.
2.
2. Why didn't it
Go
go
on,
up
then.
to 5 instead of 3? Oh, that didn't click. Did it?
1,
2.
2. Wow.
When is this going to happen? I can't wait to see it.
1. How many then?
I really want mine to
Yeah,
go.
son.
What? That was 3.
3. How many then?
I want more birds.
One then.
I want to get stuck. Wait, was it 3?
3.
2.
2.
Oh, mine's hanging off now. Does it even
What's the
have?
matter? I think. Look there.
What?
It's not too heavy, is it? think it's a bit too heavy. I don't think none of us are going to get splattered because it's too heavy.
Take a bit off.
Yeah, I think that's what we might have to do. Right, I think we'll half one.
Okay, I have to put that. Okay, wait, I need to put this bit in the slime pot.
Well, in my slime pot. That,
Oh,
right?
my slime pot.
Right, hold on. Right.
You haven't got much to this there.
I'll take some of yours off as well. Yeah. Right, are we then? This should work now.
Work now.
Right. 2,
2.
1. Oh!
Ah! Where did it go?
Hey,
Is
there
it
we
on
are.
your bottom? There's a bit on your bottom there. Look at me, That
There's our
was
game.
crazy. Bye.
That's
Subscribe.
it for today.
Yep.
What shall we go and do?
Subscribe. Straight away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ta-da!